Friends, welcome to NG Academy. Today, we will learn the characteristics of acids. Most of the acids are sour in taste. Strong acids are corrosive in nature. So, what corrosive means? It has potential to destroy the solid objects. Let's see. You can see here, this is our solid object. This is our solid object. It has come in contact with acid, and finally the acid turned this solid metal into this. See here, the solid material has been destroyed. Our next topic of discussion is acids change the color of indicators as given in the table. You can see, okay, let's first discuss this one. Blue litmus. So what is litmus? Blue litmus, it is an indicator. Indicator are the chemical compounds or substance which helps to identify whether the given substance is acid, base or salt. Now let's check out how the blue litmus behaves when it comes in contact with acid. Okay, now our green color hat wearing teacher will explain how the litmus behaves when it comes in contact with acid. Well friends, this test tube containing hydrochloric acid here is written. This one is the test tube that contains hydrochloric acid. Now you can see here blue litmus paper. This is blue litmus paper. Our sir is holding the blue litmus paper with the help of clamp. Now he is going to dip this blue litmus paper into this test tube containing acid. Well friends, you can notice here this portion, the dipped portion of the litmus paper has already shown its color change. Now the litmus paper which is dipped inside the hydrochloric acid is turned into red in color. It is actually not that red, it is faint red. The redness or darkness of the darkness or redness depends upon the strength of the acid. If the concentration of hydrogen ion is greater in the solution, then what happens? The litmus becomes more red. Okay, here hydrochloric acid turned blue litmus paper into red. The color of litmus is faint red. If the acid is strong, then it will turn blue litmus into dark red if it is strong. So what is the conclusion? When blue litmus paper comes in contact with acid, the blue litmus shows color change. It will turn into red in color. Here, what is shown here? Now our next task is to dip the red color litmus into hydrochloric acid. Yes, as soon as we dip this red color litmus into hydrochloric acid, there is no color change. There will be no any kind of color change. See here, no color change. I mean, when the indicator like red litmus is dipped into acid, then there will be no any color change. Now let's see how our acid, hydrochloric acid, behaves with methyl orange. Methyl orange is also a type of indicator, and here methyl orange is dropped inside the test tube containing hydrochloric acid powder. Now as soon as the methyl orange comes in contact with hydrochloric acid, then it will turn into red in color. You can see red in color. Here in figure you can see phenolphthalein. You can see here phenolphthalein. Where is our phenolphthalein? See, this is phenolphthalein. Now when phenolphthalein, it is also a type of indicator. It is colorless indicator. Now when this phenolphthalein is powered inside the acetic acid, then there is no any kind of color change. You can see here there is no any kind of color change. Phenolphthalein turns colorless in acidic solution. No any kind of, it does not show any kind of color change. Well friends, this is our conclusion. See here, this is our conclusion. Red litmus, no change. Red litmus, when we dip red litmus into acid, no change. Red litmus does not show any kind of change of color inside the acid. When it comes in contact with acid, no any color change. So in blue litmus, so when acid comes in contact with blue litmus, then blue litmus shows color change. It will turn into red in color. So methyl orange. So what about methyl orange? See here, this is methyl orange. The methyl orange turn into red in color. And next is last one. What is our last one? Phenolphthalein. When phenolphthalein comes in contact with an acid, then no, I mean to say, it is colorless. It becomes colorless. Well friends, this much for today. In our next video, we will discuss about some chemical properties of an acid.